Hi everybody, happy Tech Tip Tuesday. It's clock changing time again. I'm in a 2023 Lexus ES with Lexus interface. Let's take a look at how to change the clocks. There are two clocks on the 2023 Lexus ES. The analog clock near your main display and the digital clock on your instrument cluster. Other Lexus interface vehicles have the digital clock on the top right-hand corner of the main display. To adjust the clocks on your ES with Lexus interface, just click the settings icon at the bottom of the Lexus interface menu. Scroll to General and select Date and Time. If you don't have an active cloud-connected Drive Connect navigation subscription, you'll control your clock settings under the Time menu on the right-hand side. Select your time zone, and then turn on or off daylight saving time, depending on the time of year. We fall back in the fall, and spring forward in the spring. You'll see the clocks change right away. Once you've made your selections for time zone and daylight savings, make sure to select Set Automatically so the vehicle will automatically adjust based on the settings you've selected. When you turn off Set Date and Time Automatically, you'll be able to set the time manually. Make your adjustments for hours and minutes, or reset to the top of the hour. Press OK to confirm. Most people prefer to set the time automatically based on their time zone and daylight savings selections. If you have a Drive Connect subscription on your Lexus ES, you'll be able to set the date and time by GPS. And then everything will happen automatically. Notice that if you don't set the date and time by GPS, if you have the Drive Connect navigation subscription, you'll also have a setting for auto adjust for time zone and daylight saving time. Well, thank you so much for stopping by the Lexus Virtual Classroom today. If you have a different clock on your Lexus model, make sure to check out our clock changing tutorial playlist. We have video tutorials going back for years, but if you need more help, make sure to leave a comment below and I'll be happy to get back to you. Thanks again for stopping by the Lexus Virtual Classroom, and we'll see you next time.